Back pain. It's a universal language of discomfort, a shared experience that unites millions across the globe. From the dull, persistent ache to the sharp, debilitating twinge, back pain can cast a long shadow over our daily lives. Simple tasks become monumental challenges. Our ability to move freely, to work, to play, all compromised by this unwelcome companion. But there is hope. While back pain is a complex issue with varied causes, one thing is clear. Movement is medicine. Targeted exercises can be powerful allies in the fight against back pain, helping to alleviate discomfort, strengthen key muscles, and restore mobility. This isn't about becoming a weightlifting champion or marathon runner. It's about reclaiming your body's natural ability to move with ease and grace. It's about understanding that even small, consistent efforts can yield significant rewards. Let's begin our journey to a pain-free back with a series of gentle exercises designed to mobilize your spine and ease tension. Remember, the key here is to listen to your body and stop if you feel any sharp pain. First, the cat-cow stretch. Start on your hands and knees, maintaining a neutral spine. As you inhale, arch your back like a cat, tucking your chin to your chest. Exhale and reverse the curve, dropping your belly towards the floor and lifting your head gently. Repeat this flowing movement for 5 to 10 breaths. Next, the knee-to-chest stretch. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Gently draw one knee towards your chest, using your hands to support the movement. Hold for 15 to 30 seconds, then repeat on the other side. This stretch targets the lower back muscles, relieving tightness. Lastly, pelvic tilts. Still lying on your back, engage your core muscles and gently tilt your pelvis backward, pressing your lower back into the floor. Hold for a few seconds, then release. Repeat this subtle movement 10 to 15 times, focusing on the connection between your core and lower back. These simple exercises, performed regularly, can help to unlock your spine's natural flexibility and reduce stiffness. But our journey doesn't stop there. Let's move on to strengthening the muscles that support your back. While mobilizing the spine is crucial, we also need to address the muscles surrounding it. Tight hamstrings and hip flexors can contribute to lower back pain by pulling on the pelvis. Let's incorporate some gentle stretches to address these areas. First, the hamstring stretch. Sit on the floor with your legs extended in front of you. Keeping your back straight, reach towards your toes, going only as far as comfortable. Hold for 30 seconds, then release. Repeat this stretch 2 to 3 times. Next, the piriformis stretch. This stretch targets a deep muscle in the buttock that can contribute to sciatic pain. Sit with your feet flat on the floor. Cross your right ankle over your left thigh, placing your right hand behind you for support. Gently lean forward from the hips until you feel a stretch in your right buttock. Hold for 30 seconds, then repeat on the other side. Lastly, child's pose. This restful yoga pose provides a gentle stretch for both the back and hips. Kneel on your mat with your knees wider than hip width apart and your big toes touching. Lower your torso between your thighs and rest your forehead on the floor. Extend your arms forward and relax into the stretch. Hold for 30 to 60 seconds, breathing deeply. By incorporating these stretches into your routine, you'll be well on your way to improving flexibility and alleviating muscle imbalances that contribute to back pain.